Hey, this is Arlene. It is May the 15th, 2021. So, this is my refrigerator, and it is hot. And it gets hotter as you go down. And then it's hotter down here. The back is not hot, it's the sides that are hot. Oh, up here is hot by the freezer side. The doors are never really hot. So this is what heats up my apartment, because it can get really hot. I should try cooking an egg on it. So I just wanted to do a video of it. This is in my apartment, which I will show. Come on. This is B402 at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90038. We are next to Gold Diggers. And this is the refrigerator, hot on both sides. And it does heat up my apartment because it could be 20 degrees cooler and it'll be hot in here. So it could be like 51, it'll be 75 in here, or 78.